Most people think 1 minute of walking can't change your body. They are wrong. Because when you are carrying heavy weight in both hands, every second becomes a war. What happens when your body is forced to stabilize, strain, and survive for just 60 seconds straight? Well, you don't just work harder, you evolve. To begin, grab two dumbbells, stand tall, start walking. By 15 seconds, your grip starts shaking. By 30 seconds, your traps are on fire. By 45 seconds, your lungs are begging for air. And by the end, you are questioning life choices over what look like the world easier to work out. Still thinking it's just walking? Try it. 1 minute, heavy weight, no excuses and no breaks. The farmer's walks might look basic. You are basically just picking up heavy weights and walking forward, right? Wrong. This movement is coordinated assault on every weakness of your body has been hiding. It's just walking. It's controlled clash prevention. Here what's actually happening. Your grip is under constant tension, testing the endurance of your forearms and the strength of your fingers with every step. Your traps and shoulder are stabilizing each load, keeping your posture upright while gravity tries to pull you into a slump. Your core is firing non-stop to keep you from tipping, swaying, or folding like a deck chair in a windstorm. Your legs are bracing and absorbing shock on every football, working as both engine and suspension. Every step you take is a full body negotiation. You are coordinating tension, breath, posture, and pace all at once. And here's the real secret. The former walk isn't just a strength builder, it's a body corrector. Bad posture, it forces alignment. Weak grip, it exposes it instantly. Lazy core, you feel it collapse by 20 seconds. Most exercise isolate a single muscle group. This one forces them all to communicate. You become more integrated, more stable, more efficient. That's why athletes use it. Why fighters use it. And it's even why physical therapists use it to rebuild muscles movement. Because no matter your goal size, strength, fat loss, posture or performance, the former walks move the needle on all of it. Most people in the gym, they train chest on Monday, ignore posture the rest of the week. They deadlift with straps, then wonder why their grip sucks. They train abs with crunches, then complain about back pain. See, farmers walk fix all of them in one brutally effective move. This is what's called a keystone exercise. You improve it and almost everything else improves with it. Deadlifts feels tighter, pull-ups feel stronger, posture straighter, core solid, arms and foreheads noticeably bigger. Why? Because this movement teaches your body how to stay locked in underload. It builds what most people skip, control. Everyone thinks more reps means more results. But 1 minute of right movement beats 30 minutes of junk reps every time. You don't need more exercises. You need the right stimulus. And this is it. Farmers walk don't isolate. They integrate. And that's the key difference between looking strong and actually being strong. They build muscle, burn fat, fix posture, and strengthen joints. You know, anyone can curl dumbbells, anyone can sit on machine and go through the motions, but carry weights for distance. No slouching, no quitting. That's where real fitness lies. Here's what the make it just so brutal. Number 1, grip fail first. 2, traps start screaming. 3, core fleets collapse. 4, lungs can't keep up. 5, mind wants to drop the weight. 6, and yet you keep going. There isn't fake difficulty. Think of it more like productive pain, the kind that actually builds something. Try it and see how far you really are from strong. Beginner, start with 30 seconds. Also make sure to focus on posture. Immediate go for 60 seconds, 2 to 3 sets. You can use it as a finisher. What about advanced? Well, try if it carries, add turns, walk uphill, time yourself and push to failure. Just 1 to 2 minutes per workout is enough to trigger real adaptation. And no gym, no problem. Buckets, water jugs, bags of sands, anything heavy works. This isn't about what you carry, it's about how long you hold on. If your workout feel easy, they probably are. But this will humble you as fast and build you even faster because the farmer walk doesn't care about how strong you look. It cares about how strong you are. So pick up the weight and walk like your body depends on. Thank you.